In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your GoDaddy customer number. This is a quick but important task, especially if you ever need help from GoDaddy support or want to verify your account. Your customer number is basically an ID that GoDaddy uses to recognize your account, so it's worth knowing exactly where to find it. First, you'll want to sign into your GoDaddy account. Open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy website. On the homepage, look for the sign in option, usually near the top right corner of the screen. Click that and then enter the email or username you use for GoDaddy, followed by your password. If you use a password manager or have your browser remember your details, you might be signed in automatically. Just make sure you end up on your GoDaddy account, homepage, or dashboard once you're logged in. If you have trouble signing in, double check that you're using the correct email and that caps lock isn't turned on when typing your password. If needed, you can use the forgot password link to reset it, but once you're back in, you'll be ready for the next part. Now that you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page. You should see either your name or your initials displayed there. This is your account menu. Go ahead and click on your name or initials. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. At the very top of that drop-down, you'll see a line that includes your customer number. It's usually labeled clearly as customer numbers, followed by a series of numbers. That number is your unique GoDaddy customer ID. Take a moment to read it carefully, especially if you plan to share it over the phone or type it into a support form. You may want to write it down somewhere secure or store it in a password manager so you can access it quickly in the future without having to navigate back through the menus. If you don't immediately see your name or initials in the top right corner, try maximizing your browser window or closing any extra toolbars or zooming out slightly. On smaller screens, some elements can shift or be hidden inside a menu icon, but the account menu with your name or initials should always be available once you're logged in. And that's all there is to it. You sign into your GoDaddy account, click your name or initials in the top right corner, and your customer number is shown right at the top of the drop-down menu. Once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds to find.